rather good. Yeah.
Well, I mean, it was okay because like the older girls understood. When you've got two 14-year-olds and then an 11,
Yes.
it just says K to everything.
Yeah. What?
K?
Yes, that's right. Yes. Well.
Should you really be?
Yes. As a matter of fact, I had a sister-in-law who did that all the time.
Yeah.
She was from sunny Costa Rica. And yeah, that's it. Good. I hope you've enjoyed the trip.
Of course.
Good.
Very much enjoyed.
Good. Have you been filming all of it?
Yeah.
Good.
Get everyone. Oh.
We've probably got one more train. We'll wait to see what Mike says. But, so I think you need to be in readiness for another run. But at the same time, it may not be another run. You see what I mean? So it could be one way or the other.
You don't want to get in your picture.
Sorry.
No. It's quite like what's between the entry of the turntable. There are hats okay. But we do just have to say they may be listened to. Okay, yeah, no, cool. Thank you. Come on. Come on, Bella.
We're having another ride.
Oh, see? Do you want to come and sit in there?
You actually have a taker for another train.
Yeah, we'll be ready for another one.
You're up for another steam
We'll
train.
be ready for another one. Yeah.
Good. Yep.
So, which college are you at?
King's College.
You're at King's College, and what are you studying?
Law.
You're studying law. Excellent. Are you doing a PhD?
No, actually I'm here for summer program.
For summer program, I see. Yes, yes. During the holidays. Yes, I see. Very good. And it's a very fine college, I think, King's College. Yeah,
It's a great miniature railway.
yeah. Isn't it? Yes, it is. That's right. Well,
Really amazing.
yeah. Well, it was built by the gentleman there in the checked shirt at the front with white hair. He built it, and he built all the carriages,
Great.
and he built that locomotive there.
Okay.
Number 2, Kira. So yeah, it's a very fine railway. This is 7 1/4 inch gauge.
Last year, I rammed into the side of
So that's about 180 millimeters.
Yes. 184, I think.
Okay, you're right. Yes, 184 millimeters. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So we still, when we talk about gauges of tracks, we still use the old imperial measurements.
Yeah.
Although officially in this country we have used metric measurements since about 1970. So for 50 years virtually, but still many people use imperial, like the Americans.
Yeah.
They use imperial, don't they?
on this train in years. I have. I've been here a long time. And I've now come here for
On the way.
Quick, Mara, quick!
All right, you come behind it.
It did.
And are you from China?
Yes.
Which city?
Shenzhen.
Shenzhen, yes.
Just the northern shore of Hong Kong.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, yeah.
Me on this? Do you want to sit on this one? Yeah? Oh, yeah, is that alright? Yeah? Catherine? Catherine?
I'm just looking up his Alright, yes, before you leave,
Really?
Oh yeah, it's basically a giant temple with fancy bits. Turn that into actual.
Oh wow, fantastic.
Simple but effective.
Absolutely.
I found the link if you want it.
Okay.
There is.